Oh, go on there, you know.
I'm going.
Oh, go on in the kitchen there, and I cook.
Man, you left nothing here to cook.
Man, easy, I mean, nothing here to cook.
Not you list from me about for a man here to talk about cook. You left nothing here to cook.
Oh, go on like you want to eat from morning. I mean, I nothing for a little tea where you give me from morning and a little piece of bammy from the yard already. I don't say nothing not to go on to me every day. See that, if I run up and down from police and all them things, so you don't know say a white plate. So now and then people them even have to take me taxi now because if me crash them not get nothing. So you have to see with me, man.
Right now I left. Me feel like me want left.
Left?
What you mean left? I don't know, things now go my way, you know, and maybe me did there with Winston, things done better with me, you know.
Baby, now what you say, man? Soon make a change.
How soon make a change?
You know, I'll make a change, man. You will soon see it, man. I'm sure I'm there, but I'll make a change. I will soon see it, man. I will soon see it.
No, me want to see it right now. Because right now, if me go a Mandiva and me see one nice blouse, me cannot even buy. Me here one day, every day, me get up a flat up me here. And say you have me here. Say me here there. Oh man, nothing like this, man. You know, relationship no run so.
The thing is on there.
Don't touch me.
The thing is on there.
Yeah, me say man, don't touch me.
The thing is on there, man. I could go inside.
You're good. Say Alfred.
Don't tell me something, my youth. Then girl will woke up so when I. I'm the female, you know call her it.
Call one my youth. Can't call him there.
What do you mean I call her it, my youth? You know say girl sweet, my youth. What are you saying there?
Sweetness you look for. That's just a fake number girl, give me that.
Me don't feel say I don't feel number that. I say girl rate to my youth.
Well, he looks so still in my youth. You see me, but girls looks is deceiving in my youth.
Now our friend them rate to start.
Well, me see that still in. How do you man?
I don't know which I didn't get that number though. You don't know. I waste time, brother. I waste time.
So what do you got with for your girl? Where do you talk? How do you man? Come on, stop smiling with thing man on top. Man, what?
Over in my youth, I say I make two words man talk dog. Girl, I'm not take no talk, brother.
Oh, not take no talk. I'm here to run through now.
No, man, see no run, man. Go over now.
Man, top the line, man. Top the line, man. Hey, get a talk. Talk, man.
Yo. We make her walk go over the building and the girl. Make two talk and the girl nah take no chat, my other friend them I say no, nothing.
You play the road boy style, man, and the lover boy style, them what, man. How do you want?
You don't know we have a machine them there, dog. You go out she and her friends.
I know some of that can't go on a beach trip, you know.
You see that? You know it's dirty for do my head. Yeah, I'll tell that. Yo, call her, man. Call her, man.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Hello?
I'll be the one if you asked me to.
Wagwan, babes, who this? Oh, okay, so you are the guy that talked to my friend at Parisville the other night.
Miss the night they still. No, man. Beautiful and sexy the night still.
You miss me? Cause we not even did talk, so how you feel miss me? Seriously? But So, boy, you don't call her. So why you call me then? You like me? So how you never come to me? What make a she you come to? You're not interested in her no more. Okay.
Wish me to see you again still. So you can have a fun time and all that, you know?
Oh, you want to see me again? When? Saturday, alright. But wait, which part we go?
Over there, carry go. Anyway, you don't go still.
Would I want to go a beach still? So what time? Look here, no play with me, no? Alright.
Alright, later then. Love you.
Alright. You want to take me out? Watch me and you, you not even know what I'm going.
I'm giving up on you.
So what she say, my she make you see her Saturday night?
Yeah, man.
So we can make you girl, my
My idiot, you idiot, you can't be girl for the first night, my dad.
What do you mean?
You idiot, I just say you can't get no girl. You idiot.
I'm saying, if you make you girl, my youth.
Big girl, what?
You joke kind of my youth.
My first night, my youth, easy yourself, brother, that's you can't get no girl.
But then is it? As a mate,
Where you can't get, tell me. That's how you get him for run you one night. You idiot.
my youth, me say as a mate, you have to turn him over, Virgin. So tell me something, my youth. Where I get money and anything that we carry out? Where I carry out?
Right now, you know, say movies, me plan to carry go do my head, and I borrow some funds from.
Movies, my youth. How much money that will cost, Virgin?
Yeah.
You better you buy a little show up on the road, Virgin.
How can I show my head and say, hot girl, them the dog, come here, go watch, you can show my youth.
Carry over, my youth.
My youth.
My youth, at this you get a chance to turn you over easy, Virgin. You see me I talk about my youth.
And I lie, you know?
You see me I talk
I
about
lie,
my
man.
youth.
She come and she don't want to come back after the first time.
Yo, me say yo, buy a movie off a road, Virgin, and carry home. And you not go watch it, Virgin. Hey, buy the cheap popcorn, my youth, and pop your banana and sit down and watch the TV, Virgin.
Tired that and good dog.
I mean it and good, my youth. At night, you can't up in the Virgin and have like a dating, my youth. Nobody not see what go on,
So
Virgin.
what you say? Me don't fit on no light then.
No, man. Tell us your power outage.
Might you know say hot girl them the dog, hot girl want go in the dark, my youth.
I mean, my youth. At night,
Dog, you think I bush me a carry girl go my youth.
my youth, them girls, they don't go on them sort out in the night. They not pre that in the bed.
Like you what tell?
Yo, me soon sort out till that, man. Don't worry yourself. You can carry any girl you want.
You see your words still, you see me?
I want to touch you with that. Let's lock off the machine.
Alright, brother. See your words. Start out the thing, you see me?
Yeah, man. That's how the things are, you know what I mean?
are different.
I tell you, you don't know say the girl them in a party.
Oh, so what about them, you know?
The one they go to now, I want them exit now.
So what if I tell you, say, the one that you go to a she really like?
I just exchange number.
So you feel say the girl them now go say something about it,
No
dog?
man, I got put on the thing, man.
Now, back up a minute.
No man, I got put on the thing, man.
Did they just change the game? How dumb can these guys get? Who on God's earth would take a girl's number and then give it to one of his friends? Oh well, you can't expect anything better when you're hanging out with a guy who got no game.
Eh.
Yeah man.
Alright, boss. Yo, put fear in this, dog.
So you say dog, you want to see the praise and see what I'm going.
Yeah, man. Good idea, that. You see me?
Yo, that's the thing, said. Come in.